What if I told you that your 9 to 5 paycheck is keeping you broke? You might think you're making money, but in reality, you're just treading water. And the worst part? Every single day you wait to start a side hustle, you're losing potential, income. So let's talk about making money, the smart way. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap and build your own income streams. But here's the catch. Most people won't do, will you stick around and find out? The problem, let's be real, relying on one source of income is a financial death trap. Inflation is eating away at your savings, rent is skyrocketing, and that promotion? It's taking its sweet time. Quick question. If you lost your job today, how long? Could you survive a week, a month? If that number scares you, good. It should, because the system is designed to keep you dependent. But here's the exciting part. Escaping isn't just possible. It's happening every single day. And the people, breaking free. They're not waiting for permission. They're taking action. The solution. All right, let's get to the good stuff. If you want to make real money, you need multiple income streams. And no, I'm not talking about filling out sketchy online surveys for pennies. Here are 5 high-value side hustles that can actually change your financial future. 1. High-income freelancing. Got a skill? Whether it's writing, coding, graphic design, or video editing, companies will pay you handsomely. The trick? Position yourself as an expert. The demand is endless. Pattern interrupt. Wait, you're telling me you'd rather scroll TikTok than make $100 an hour? Make it make sense. Do content creation. People are making thousands by sharing what they love. And no, you don't need 1 million followers. Niche content is where the real money is. Whether it's finance, fitness, or funny cat videos, your audience is out there. 3. E-commerce and print on demand. Selling products online has never been easier. Sites like Shopify and Etsy let you launch a store with zero inventory. Create unique designs, slap them on hoodies or mugs, and let someone else handle the shipping. You earn while you sleep. Cliffhanger. And speaking of passive income, here's something that can make you money even while you binge Netflix. 4. Automated investing in dividend stocks. This is where the wealthy play. Put your money to work by investing in dividend-paying stocks or index funds. It's not flashy, but it's how the rich get richer. Your goal? Make your money work harder than you do. For digital products and online courses. People are paying for knowledge. If you know something valuable, like social media marketing, fitness training, or even how to ace job interviews, you can package that into a digital course and sell it forever. One-time effort, lifetime earnings. The call to action. So what's stopping you? Fear, doubt, time. Let's be honest, you'll never feel 100% ready. But every wealthy person you admire, they started before they had everything figured out. Here's what you do next. Pick one side hustle. Just one. Give it 90 days. Track your progress. If it works, double down. If it doesn't, pivot. But whatever you do, start. Because in a year, you'll either be making money or making excuses. If you're serious about building wealth, subscribe now. This is just the beginning.